Hello guys, welcome back to our another video, and this is your Preet. Welcome to Preet Tech Ideas. We have another tutorial on WoodMart theme. In this tutorial we will explore WoodMart theme has a new feature. So in this tutorial we are going to explore what are the new feature in WoodMart theme and how you can implement those feature in your website. If you not watch my other video complete playlist, we have a complete tutorial, complete course on WoodMart theme, step by step how to customize it, speed optimization, single product page customization, and more tutorial. You will find a link in description for those. If you want me to set up a WoodMart theme for your business or for your company, you can contact us and we have affordable plans for you. So let's move to the video here, and you can see this is my WordPress dashboard, and we will see here I'm using right now WoodMart theme. If I go to WoodMart, click on WoodMart, so I'm using here the WoodMart version 8.3.9, and this is the one of the latest update from WoodMart, and we have new feature here like pop-up, floating blocks, and we will explore one by one those and how we can implement these features on our website. If we move to pop-up section and we have option to add pop-up on the website, let's click on add pop-up, and then we have to predefine pop-up. What type of pop-up you want to build? You are looking to build promotional pop-up to integrate the promotions on your website, and then we have a newsletter also if you want to activate newsletter on your website, and it will link with the MailChimp, because when we install WoodMart theme, MailChimp plugin comes with it. Now then we can use the pop-up to collect our newsletter data. We also can build a contact form using pop-up, and then we have a exit intent, and then we have information. If you want to give any information like a shipping information, any promo information for your website, you can use this on uh, these pre-built pop-ups. Let's move to promotions, and I'm going to create a one pop-up so you will have idea how you can make it yourself. So I'm going to choose any template for the promotion and click pop-up, create pop-up, and it will take some time, and it will bring you to the Elementor page builder where you can customize this pop-up step by step. So this is the pop-up we are going to use on our website. Let's first click on image. Then you need to add or change image here. You want to add in the pop-up. This is exactly for the pop-up example. You want to run promotion for the mobile phones or any other related content or any informational here pop-up promotion. You have up running or running promotion for your company, and you can add or make a different pop-ups for your brand. And then we have a here we would like to get 20% discount of for best sellers. When you click on the title, and you will able to also change this title here in the bracket. You will find this u shortcode. Do not delete this shortcode, just enter instead of 20%, let me put 30%. This way you can make changes. If I click on the buttons, and here in the button, if they click yes, where they should go, you have to provide the link here. For example, they want to get 30% offer, and you can bring them to the coupon page here, and then you have to provide the relevant link here. If you have in your backend pages, if I go to my pages and I need to find the coupon page, or I can make a new page for promotions or for the coupons, delivery returns we have. Let me find if I able to find the coupon page, but we can build the coupon page later on because we have option to build the coupons here. If I go to WooCommerce, and then we have a coupons, and you can build and integrate these coupons. So you can build a separate page for the coupons, and you can bring those people direct to the coupon option. Okay, so you have to add the link. You can add here link of your shop page. You want to get 30% discount, and you can put here in the link, just delete the hashtag and search for, I'm going to search for shop, because I want to integrate, I want to link my shop page. So someone click here yes, and they will go to shop page. Decline offer, what you want to do, if someone decline this offer, and you can just put the link where they should go after that. You also can add more stuff here by clicking or drag elements. Example, you want to show the coupon code here directly. So if I go to in the XMOS elements, you have a different elements you can use. So if you want to add countdown timer, and you can also add countdown timer. And for this promotion, 30% promotion, we have only these days left. This way you can add different items on the pop-ups using Elementor. If I able to find our brand or coupon, so let me find. If you want to build this for news contact form 7, you can build, just you can just add the contact form 7 downside here, and upper side you can delete all the options. You have to select your form, contact form 1. You can make it contact form, same pop-up you can make as contact form, just you have to add element you want to add here. Okay, so then you have to publish, and it will be published on our website. So let's move to next what we have in the pop-up options. So let me go to contact form. Example, we are going to build a contact form, but it will be show like a pop-up on the website. So I'm going to choose contact form, and I will choose pop-up template, first template, and create a pop-up. Now again, it will bring you on the Elementor page where we will able to customize this contact form as pop-up. The same way, if you want to add more information in the contact form, just click anywhere and make changes. This is the contact form, name, email, message. You can customize this template in your backend contact option. In the contact forms, then you can build a new form, or you can edit the old form. And the form you have to select here, contact form layout, contact form 1. Which contact form you want to add here, just to select from the, make sure you build this contact form in the back end here. Okay, after that you want to add something more, just click on add element. You want to add image, gallery, or you want to add button or social buttons, social icons to display here. You can also add the buttons for your social media. They will click here, they will go to your social media. So if you want to add MailChimp for newsletter, a testimonial button, we have a lot of options here. So example, you want to add one button, you can drag the button here. Instead, they will fill up here, but they have option to click on the button. If you want to add more URLs, then you can use this way different elements for the pop-ups. Now when you fill up this information as a pop-up, when they someone fill up this information, the pop-up contact form will work for them, and you have to finally save changes. After that, let me go back again. Now we will talk about how to build the floating element. Let me show you. If I click on floating blocks, click on add block, make sure in the pop-up you have to active those pop-ups. If I go to pop-ups, make sure your pop-ups are active in the backend. For that, you can go to option in the WordPress pop-up, click on all pop-up, and you have to activate these pop-ups. Then it will start showing. In the floating blocks, let's click on add block. Same way, we have to choose what type of floating block you want to build, like a banner, and it will show a floating block as a banner on your website, or just you want to add one bar where you have information about shipping or anything, and then you can choose button. You can add this floating button on your website for social media in the sidebar here, or some more information you can set as floating element. They will float on your homepage, website homepage. And I'm going to choose the banner and click on this banner and create a floating block. Same way as pop-up, we have to build this floating block with Elementor, and you can customize as you want. And I will also show you how it will visible on the website. Also the pop-ups, how they will visible on the website. Okay, so same way you can design this banner. You have to change the title, save up to 20%, make changes here if you want to add your content. And we have one coupon code here, welcome 20. They can use this button code. If you want to add more information, just click add element, example text block, drag the text block here and change the description. Click style to make the changes for the color. Text color primary or alternative, or you can set custom color. If I go to custom, I want to make it black, so it will be visible. Now I can add it what I want to display here. I want to give more information here. This way you can design your banner. Same to the shop and save. Click on the button and you have to provide the correct link here. Someone click shop and save, they will go to this particular URL. No thanks, you can click on it and you can set a page in the backend. If they select no thanks, where they should go. Okay, and now we can publish. Let me publish it, so I will able to show you how it will be display in the website. So I'm going again to the floating block, click all blocks. So I will activate this module, already activate. Let's check out front end of our website if floating newsletter is visible. Yeah, here it is. Now we have this floating. Now I can cancel it. I can click here and go to exact link we will set in the backend. Now let me show you pop-ups. If I go to pop-ups, all pop-ups, I have option. I can enable this example contact form pop-up. I'm going to activate contact form pop-up. Make sure quick edit and status should be published and update. Now let me go to front end of our website to see the pop-up of contact form, if it is visible. Yeah, it's visible now. So this way you can add different elements in the new update of WoodMart theme. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you have any question or you want me to create a next tutorial on which topic, let me know also in the comments. Thank you so much.